It doesn't take but 10 minutes. The first thing we're just gonna do a cat-cow, 25 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This, to be honest, I learned it on YouTube. It's called the Titanic. You got your yoga block. And put it in your middle of your back. Above the lower back, but below the upper back. It's called the thoracic spine. Now you're holding that up against the wall. You got your feet a little bit away from the wall. And you're going to do the Titanic. If you ever saw the movie, I didn't. But apparently the lady was on the edge of the boat like this. Okay? Now from here, we're going to do 10 reps of 10 seconds each, where I put my butt on the wall and I bring my head back and up to the wall, trying to touch it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Oof, that's 1. Just recover. 2, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Oof. Feel that. I feel it in my chest, my shoulder. You got some injuries. Ex-fighter. That's 2. Here we go, number 3. Butt on the wall, arms out, head back. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Master Lukey, 4 Master Lukey, 5 Master Lukey, 6 Master Lukey, 7 Master Lukey, 8 Master Lukey, 9 Master Lukey, 10. Oh yeah, that's 3. Going to 10. Here we go, number 4. 1 Master Lukey, 2 Master Lukey, 3 Master Lukey, 4 Master Lukey, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! It ain't easy, guys. Anything you want in life, it's going to take effort. The more you want, the more effort it's going to take. I didn't make the rules. But if you want help, hit me up. Here we go, number 5. 1 Master Lukey, 2 Master Lukey, 3 Master Lukey, 4 Master Lukey, 5 Master Lukey, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Halfway there. Ooh, I'm feeling it everywhere. Even my hamstrings. Holy, my lower back, especially my right side. Where are you feeling it? Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. Whew. That was 6. We got 4 more. Wow, it looks nice out today. Sunny. Hope it stays like that. Hope it stays sunny and gets warm. Wow. Can't believe it's almost Christmas. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. Whew. I feel it the most on my right side. All in here. In the back and the front. My right chest and shoulder and whew. But I'm trying to pull my elbows back, not just my hands, and that's opening me up even a little more. I definitely feel that I've gotten more flexible as the reps go up. So we're up to 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. 3 more. Whew. Ooh. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Woo! 2 more, 2 more. Oh, excuse me. Here we go. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow. Whew. Yo, this is a serious exercise. Not gonna lie, it feels like I'm about to cramp back there. Holy. I started doing this, excuse me, every day. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. Woo. Good times. Holy, I feel straight.